Okay, malakas si Lion, guys.
Superb damage.
Earth na bully mo yung akong tropa. Ayun.
Ally has slain the turtle.
Knowing is not enough. We must apply.
Balagbag yarn. Okay, maganda yung laban ngayon, guys. Nakikita natin yung kalamangan. Ewan lang mamaya. Kaya natin sabayin sa Hellguard, hindi lang ako tower again. Kuha tayo na malipik roar, guys, and then mag-armor na tayo para may konting damage.
Empty your cup in order to fill it again.
Check kill. Wait lang, idol. Wait lang, guys. Wait lang. Check kill tayo, guys. Standing ovation natin, guys. 5 kills kay si Lion. Harley 4. Kimi 3. Benedetta 2. Good luck, guys. Kita naman natin yung medyo pagiging lamang natin ngayon. Ang kaso, mamaya sa late game, doon na magkakaalaman yan. Kasi tapos, parting late game nga, magkakagipitan yan, guys. Mag-aagawan na yan sa kills pag nagkataon.
Request backup.
Kasi ang goal natin dito, guys, is may makakuha ng 30 kills. Kung sino makakuha ng 30 kills, siya yung bibigyan natin ng 3,000 pesos. Agawan talaga yan. Food trip yun. Bakit nag-iba boses mo, idol? Manas. Manas yung boses ko, idol. Manas paga. Welcome back, my idol. Thank you.
Destroy the turtle.
Ano, gusto ko yung nagta-tower dive. Create si Hanabi, aray ko. Tinawa si Hanabi, guys.
The darkness.
Tubos, pati pantubos. Ay, guys, standing ovation natin. 5 kills, si Lion. Si Leon, 5 kills. Ayan. Harley 4. Benedetta 3. Kimi 3. Okay, again, guys, ang goal natin dito is mabot ng 30
Defeat me
kills.
has not been born yet.
The enemy has slain Lord. Ally has been slain.
Ayan, mukhang magiging kwento na naman tayo ngayon. Ang sakit, kailangan na mag-armor.
Instant kill.
Tama na tayo.